The Digitech RP50, the pedal all studio engineers dislike. And why do they dislike it? Well, there's a good reason for it. I'm going to do a little review of this pedal that has been around for a long time. It's still around on eBay and other websites, and many people still like it. But why do studio engineers and professionals dislike it so much? So the Digitech pedal, the good, the bad and the ugly about this pedal. It's a pretty nice sounding pedal. It's just a clean sound. Very nice. Nothing wrong with it. That's the good. It's also a cheap pedal. When it was sold as a new pedal in the stores. These days you can't buy it for new anymore. Digitech has made a lot of good pedals for a well, budget price. Yeah, I like them very much. And the Digitech pedal, the RP50, was the first multi-effects pedal I ever bought. I looked into it recently because I bought a new one, a Moore pedal, and I was thinking about selling the RP50. That's when I finally read the manual for the first time in my life. I never read manuals well. That's a thing men dislike, don't they? So anyway, I started playing around with it again. It has been collecting dust in my room for some time, and this time I thought, well, before I sell it, I have to do a little demo, because if I want to put it online for sale, people want to hear it perhaps. Well, as I said, it sounds nice on some settings. Some other of the default settings are a little less nice. Very harsh sounding. Anyway, there's this. Distortion, lots of distortion in the preset effects. But there's also a good amp simulation. I'm going to do that now. Well, that's a nice sounding amp. I'm recording this, by the way, on Ardour, a digital audio workstation for Linux. And while I'm talking, you can't hear it too well perhaps, but when I'm silent, you will hear why studio engineers do not like this pedal. It buzzes. Well, in my experience that's not a very big problem, but if you're recording in a studio, you don't want a pedal that buzzes. So, the good, it's cheap, it worked nice, you can take it any way you want, you can program all your own effects. The bad, well, lots of the predefined effects are very harsh sounding, but on the other side you can change them and save them to your own liking. And the ugly, the buzzing, that's really ugly, and that's why pros don't like it. Anyway, there's one thing I haven't told you. It's in the manual, but well, like me, many people don't read manuals. If you use a Y chord, you can record stereo with it. I'm doing this now also, and that has some very nice stereo amp simulations. Oops, wrong button. this one. That's a great amp simulation, a tweed amp. Has several versions of it. I think that's a good amp simulation. Anyway, I wanted to sell it at first, but because of the amp simulations, I think I will keep it.